Morning everyone, Patrick here, Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. Bit of a dreary day up here in Superior, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about a quick demo process, what we do, why we do it, and how we do it. So our first step in the demo process is going to be cut all our rails off this deck. We want a nice, clear, clean work area. After that, I'm going to take our skill saw, and what I'm doing over here is I've made a few cuts already. What I'm doing is finding my first joist, and we're going to do one joist at a time. This is a 14-foot span, so these are going to be kind of heavy. We're going to have two guys below. They'll do a video after this showing you kind of what's going on under there, but all my job is to find a joist one at a time, make a cut all the way to our rim. Not cutting the rim. We want to be real careful that we're not compromising the integrity of the structure. I got guys working under me, and it's real important to safety is our #1 priority right now, especially in a demo. It can be a bit dangerous sometimes, especially with your bigger decks. So skill saw, rip all the way to the rim, turn around, and I'm going to make a cut as close as I can to the house. Again, they're going to have a sawzall under there cutting the joists and bring it down nice and controlled. One more thing, once you cut these are still, the frame is still attached. However, these deck boards are going to be loose. You need to be real careful where you step, and again, safety is most important when you're doing the demo. Lastly, real quick, we start on the outside. We're going to make all our cuts, working our way to the stairs, making sure we can still get up onto the deck to work. Stairs will be last, and this demo will be done in a few hours with the guys. I'm going to send you over to John, my partner, who's below, and he's going to show you what he's doing with the joists and the sawzall down there.
Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and take this joist down from below. As we showed you earlier, he went ahead and cut through, so we have it separated all the way down here. The important part on the cuts over here is, in order to safely cut it to where it won't fall on you, is this has actually been cut already, but it's still staying in place. We just angle our cuts to where the taller part is on the top of the board, or the longer part, so it'll rest on itself. And we've done the same thing down on the other end as well. So it is loose and ready to just go ahead and lift right out of place. So we'll just lift up to free it. And then here you go, just walk one side down, go ahead and take it all the way. And then it just slides right out of place, no muss, no fuss. One of the important parts of this is that all of our hangers here are still on our rim board and on our ledger. When you're doing the demo, if you are just pulling these out, you'll end up with nails all over the ground, which is not good. It's very unprofessional and very unsafe. You don't want to be walking on them. So that's why we go ahead and separate the joist that way. So when we take it down, we don't have to worry about cleaning up nails. So that covers that. And just remember, be safe underneath here. If you got any questions, just remember, the deck answers.